Metal 3D printing, selective laser melting process and pioneering new possibilities is SLM Solutions' legacy to the inception and continued acceptance of metal additive manufacturing.
Additive manufacturing is disrupting the industry in bold and innovative ways, and Elementum 3D is committed to supplying the next generation of materials to those manufacturers.
In 1989, I read an article about the early learnings of stereolithography, and it struck me, but with a twist. What if there was a technology that produces parts that would not break should they fall off the table? A technology to produce high-strength parts in a way that has never been done before, in one stage.
In 2014, I didn't know much about additive manufacturing, but I did have extensive knowledge in advanced powder metallurgy. I was so intrigued with marrying the two technologies, the advanced high performance of new metals and the ability to produce parts at 30 microns at a time.
It was a dream, but the reality was to develop a 3D printing technology that makes sense. In the beginning, our process was awfully slow. Then a little bit faster, but still slow. With each improvement, we solved one issue and discovered another. Now we are seeing the future of manufacturing being molded by our customers by how they use it, as a supplement to traditional manufacturing.
Knowing the limitations of traditional manufacturing and the limited number of materials available for 3D printing, I started a company devoted to developing new materials for additive manufacturing.
Open architecture wherever possible as a key pillar of SLM Solutions' manufacturing solution. It's imperative that our technology can be used to enable our customers to achieve success. Being focused on the full manufacturing solution is how we advance our vision to expand AM adoption.
Adoption of AM technologies starts with freeing innovators to push the limits on what's possible, thereby affecting all of our lives by providing safer, stronger, and lighter materials. Elementum 3D's vision is to help support these innovators by providing them the tools that they need to accomplish those manufacturing goals. Unifying our vision with SLM Solutions.
Oh, sorry about that, Jacob.
That's okay, you go ahead, Dieter.
Thanks. As I was saying, unifying our vision with Elementum 3D was necessary. We've been on a collision course due to our strengths in solving many of the unique challenges associated with 3D printing production quality aluminiums.
A collision course, a great metaphor, Dieter. You know, I think it demonstrates our commitment towards excellence and breaking free of that status quo so that we can provide the next generation of high-performance materials.
Exactly. Generating successful outcomes for AM users by combining SLM's open architecture, parameter development, and extensive commercial portfolio of 3D printing solutions with Elementum 3D's proven patented technology and aluminium alloy development expertise is an incredible victory for everyone.
Right. I mean, it allows us to keep moving from prototyping to real full production.
Nicely said, Jacob. But at the end of the day, the part that counts is that by unifying our technologies, we will enable customer success.
We're already doing that.
You're right about that.